Myself, Prashant. I am the best C.D.O. and I would like to say regarding first I will start from the habits. The habits which we have taken for the C.D.O. we will take definitely we will try to implement on daily basis at least for 21 days so that it can be converted into a subconscious mind. And second, regarding the training content, yes, I have also attended sound training, but I think this is a more or the interactive and it is more or learning for us. The best part I learn from it, ki how can I improve on the parts. Thank you for it.
Thank you so much, Prashant. You are the world's best CDO. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.